I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting on the edit. Pick the clip, set in /out points, and confirm your sequence resolution and frame rate so scaling is consistent. Open Effect Controls and locate motion. That's where you'll keyframe scale and position. First actionable step. Move playhead to your clip start. Click the stopwatch for scale to create the initial keyframe. You want a neutral starting value so the zoom reads as intentional, not jarring. Once done, advance the playhead to where the zoom ends. Now you'll create the motion. At the endpoint, set your final scale keyframe, 120% to 200% depending on punchiness, and nudge position so the subject stays framed. Make sure both scale and position have matching keyframe timing so the zoom tracks the subject. To avoid robotic motion, select keyframes and apply ease in /ease out or convert to Bezier for curves. This smooths acceleration and deceleration. Scrub through the clip to confirm framing and tweak timing until the movement looks natural. Finish by refining and protecting image quality. If the source is shaky, apply warp stabilizer first and let it finish before final keyframes because stabilization changes framing. Add an adjustment layer for color and subtle sharpening to sell the zoom. Render a preview to inspect frame blending and motion smoothness. If you see stutter, make sure GPU acceleration is enabled and your export settings match sequence settings. Troubleshooting tip. If your zoom jitters, toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.